Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's short video here for JASMY, we are trading at 0.0088. 24-hour volume, we are down 44.53%. Market cap, we are up 3.59%. Heading over to the chart here, immediate short term for 2 hours, we're going to take a look at some of the previous resistance line that we have seen ever since this drop here on August 26th. So again, resistance here, we got pulled down, resistance multiple times in the last couple of 8 hours or so. But however, we can see the trend line at the very bottom here are consistently making a lot of lower highs, which shows us a lot of weakness of the actual sellers, and the buyers are pushing and trying to break through this resistance line here. As we can observe that the Bollinger Bands are narrowing, meaning a consolidation going into a breakout. Now, what we can observe in the last previous candle that we closed was a good support from our 20 MA here, if you can see, and we have a Bollinger Band squeeze and essentially expanding at this level. So what we're anticipating here for is essentially for JASMY to get rejected down from here, because the RSI does look like it is going to cross over either, on a downtrend or an uptrend here. But we want to make sure that we can measure the MACD itself and increase the momentum as we are hitting this resistance line. So what I'm predicting here for JASMY to eventually do here is, if we do get rejected from this line, I am going to predict that it is going to come back down, touch this essential trend line, and then finally break through. But once we break through for JASMY, we want to make sure that we can bounce off very nicely from this resistance here of the 8800, essentially where the price is at right now. If we could be able to bounce back from this resistance and have the resistance into support, then we're going to go into our next key area of our target. And what that key area of target is, we have to search back in our previous history for JASMY to find basically the next area of resistance. And if we can see a few candles here on July 23rd, it is essentially around the 8934. So 8934 is going to be our target. 8934. So roughly around this area, we can already see some candlesticks retracing around this area as a level support. So we're going to be treating it as a resistance turned into support, turned into resistance now, so long as we can be able to break through that area of resistance. If we go into an hour here and kind of take a look closer into the candlesticks itself, we can see the candlestick wicks in the previous hours here have extended itself, and it looks like, so far, crossing our fingers, you guys, we continue this momentum for the MACD. We need these lines to expand. We can see the RSI is only at 64 and 33. So in an hour time frame, we still have the hopes of actually breaking through and then pulling back to retest this as an area of support. So that is my quick video for JASMY. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.